In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Markdown in Obsidian. Since the same note can show raw symbols while editing and clean formatting while reading, we'll write Markdown in one note, then switch views to see it render. Start by opening an existing note, or create a new one, and click inside the note body to place your cursor. Now look to the upper right corner of the note editor and click the View switcher. If that switcher is hidden, click the editing mode icon down in the bottom status bar instead. From the menu that appears, select Source Mode. Next, type your first heading at the top. Then add a short info sentence below it, and follow that with a section heading for your next actions. After typing the Next Actions heading, press Enter once to move down. Now, go into your list items and apply some formatting. Add bold text, then some italic text, then a highlight, and finally a piece of strike-through text inside the list. Once you work through those, press Enter twice to leave a clean blank line after the list. Below that blank line, create a checklist using task checkboxes for each item. Underneath the checklist, to create a numbered list, adding each numbered entry one after the other. When the numbered list is finished, press Enter twice again to leave another blank line. Now build out a references section. Start by adding an internal note link that points to another note in your vault. Then add an external web link beside it. Beneath those links, insert a block quote to display a quoted passage. After the block quote, write a sentence that contains an example of inline code wrapped inside the line. Finally, create a code block underneath, and add a few lines of sample text or commands inside it. With the content in place, open the View switcher again in the upper right corner. If it isn't visible there, use the editing mode control in the status bar. This time, switch to Reading View. Take a moment to confirm everything renders correctly. Check that your headings are formatted, that the list items display the way you wrote them, that the task checkboxes appear, that the links are clickable, that the quotes are indented, and that the code appears inside a proper code block. The note now displays clean formatted content in Reading View, while the underlying Markdown stays stored as plain text. The finished note demonstrates the core Markdown elements commonly used inside Obsidian.